Earlier this year, we sold this multi-agent workflow for $8,000, but it took us 2 months to make. Why? Because we had to set up the project, the framework behind it. We started with LangGraph, ended up using Agents SDK. We had to build a backend, a database, a front end for the client to actually use it, deploy it somewhere on the cloud, then tracing so we understand what the agent is doing, conversation history, feedback loop. And then we had to make a WhatsApp application, which again took a few more weeks. The code base is right here, 10 months, 7 months last commit. So I'm not lying. This is actually what we did. But the idea was pretty simple. What if you would just draw this out and you don't have to care about any of this and you just care about the logic behind your agents and it works? That's exactly what we did. And welcome to SketricGen. We built the exact workflow in 5 minutes. I took the prompts for our existing agents. I put them in the agents over here. I gave them the right tools. Connecting a new tool is so simple. For example, in this workflow, the lead is either classified as a business owner that makes more money, less money, or they're an affiliate. And the agent asks questions to just gather all of that information. So when the lead comes in, it needs to go to HubSpot. I want the agent can update a lead and create a new lead. I would select that, I would connect it, and this is how easy it is to add this action for the agent. And then the frontline agent also saves some information in Google Sheets. Here you can see I can easily just talk to it. I can see the detailed traces behind update the widget, and with just one click, I can connect it to WhatsApp now. So that is how simple it is. In the future, I'll be sharing more case studies, templates, and how people are actually using agents in their daily life. To use SketricGen, it is completely free. Test it out, build agents, and follow for similar content.